Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 upload speed. We'll start by checking your current internet plan to ensure it meets your needs. Always connect your console with an Ethernet cable for the most stable connection. Don't forget to restart your router and modem. This simple step often resolves many network issues. Finally, test your internet speed directly on your PlayStation 5 to get an accurate baseline. Next, let's optimize your PlayStation 5 network settings. Manually setting your DNS to public servers, like Google DNS, can often improve routing efficiency. Adjusting your MTU to 1472 can also optimize data packet size for better performance. Consider enabling quality of service on your router to prioritize gaming traffic. Assigning a static IP address to your console can also enhance stability. Your router's placement significantly impacts Wi-Fi signal strength, so position it centrally and away from obstructions. Regularly updating your router's firmware ensures you have the latest performance enhancements and security fixes. During large uploads, try to minimize other devices using your network to reduce congestion. Also, check for any background downloads or updates running on your PlayStation 5 that might be consuming bandwidth. If you're still experiencing slow upload speeds, test another device on your network to see if the issue is specific to your PlayStation 5. Temporarily disabling any VPNs or proxy servers can help rule out interference. If problems persist, it's a good idea to contact your internet service provider. They can check your line and connection. Finally, consider upgrading your internet plan if your current speeds are consistently insufficient for your needs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.